Hi everyone. So tonight it's our third video of the third month. Yay. So today in the morning we gave an update for the winter edition of the eReader Prestigio, where, as many of you might have seen already who have updated the application, we gave a theme related to, it has a snow theme. Moreover, we are also offering 6 books in English and Russian languages, which are related to the winter and Christmas time. It was actually quite a productive month for us. We were also given the top developer position with Google, so we are really grateful for your support. Thanks to you and your encouraging ratings, we received it. So what can I say about the update? Now, when you start the application immediately, you'll be able to see that at the bottom right corner we had added a floating button to the recent section and also to the My Books and the collections, allowing you to quickly scan your device and find the books very fast. Because I believe when a user was starting from scratch using an application, he was a bit lost when he sees an empty recent page, and he needs to start looking around. So the user experience was not that good. So we overlooked that. So hopefully it's gonna allow everybody to to make the application usage much easier. Moreover, in the side menu, we have rearranged several of these things. We removed the Facebook status and the developer, asking the developers to the settings, which we believe is not so commonly used, whereas we moved the themes to the side menu, so you can play around with them, change it. Maybe you don't really like this now version of it, we don't know, but hopefully you do. Moreover, it was asked, and we were thinking about it as well, on now with every update, you're going to be receiving the release notes page, allowing you to understand and feel and quickly understand what was updated in the application. You actually know it has been updated. And you can read more up on the actual website now. Then in the previous update, we have added the gift section. Well, it's actually more for us, but so we understood that it was not very convincing for the people that the purpose of this button, so we renamed it to encourage us. So do encourage us. What else? Also in the side menu, we have added the option, not an option, kind of a small icon on the right hand side saying which section was actually changed. So in update, so there's a new button which appears next to the area that was changed. So in this update, there was a scan device, definitely, because we rearranged the logic. They encourage us, as mentioned before, and the themes were updated. Out of the small kind of bugs and things we changed around was we added the current chapter you're on into the settings. Also, we have played around with some of the text-to-speech bugs that were occurring quite often for people, and the widget we try to fix, because on some tablets, due to the DPI scaling, the dots per inch scaling, the widget was not appearing. So we fixed this one. We tried to implement the Google Translate with the wiki as was promised beforehand, but the trouble came that Google, Google does not allow Google Wiki by themselves. It's a closed system just for themselves, so we couldn't use it. We tried to find some third party, but for the ones we found for now, otherwise they didn't work, or it was a very expensive option. So we left it this idea for now. We'll be doing it a bit later. Yeah, we're trying to focus on more of the thematical area this time. So for this update, this is all. What I can say for the future, for the months of December and January, it'll be a bit calmer. I mean, everybody's gonna be on holidays anyway. We want to have a bit of holidays as well. So we're gonna be fixing just some bugs concerning the UI. If something appears, yeah, we'll be changing it, but nothing major. We want to focus now strongly on the demand for the PDF parser. It's gonna make, yeah, definitely, it's gonna make life easier for everybody if it's gonna work out. And for us, it's a useful function. Finally, yeah, as was mentioned beforehand, there are people with accessibility issues, and we are keeping up on track to ensure that the application is up to the standard, so it can be used by anyone with any sort of disabilities, and make it useful for everybody. And another thing, we started working again with content providers. We wrote up the contracts. We are signing them hopefully this week and next week. So we believe in the beginning of 2016, you're gonna see the in-app store increase in the number of books, and we are thinking of actually redoing slightly the logic inside the shop, because sometimes it's quite difficult to buy the books there. And definitely we want to add the Google payment system, because it's much quicker, much easier. And because we were seeing some people having trouble with PayPal, the transaction not going through, the status not being kept. So there are many issues usually happening. They're completely for totally different reasons. I mean, there's a Wi-Fi dropping, or your device just dies, or the application crashes and the payment doesn't go through. And yeah, people are not happy you don't receive the product. So we'll be trying and implementing definitely the Google payment system. So this one's maybe a very short one, a short video. I believe everybody's on holidays, so I wish you Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and a great new 2016. See you all.